Do you know which is the most missold financial product in the market? If you do a simple Google search, what will come up is the ULIP. Now, what is this ULIP? When a person buys this ULIP, a certain amount of the investment that he is making goes into an insurance cover. So he receives a insurance cover, and the other portion of it goes into investment in the stock or the debt market. Now, let's say a person is paying a premium of around a lakh or a lakh of rupees. The person is going to get an insurance cover of 10 to 40 times of this. Now, let's say there is an unfortunate demise of the person during the term of this policy. What do you think is the amount that his nominees are going to receive? The amount that the nominees will receive is either the sum of insurance cover or the amount that is invested in the stock or the debt market, whichever between these two is higher, not both of them. Shocking, right? Now, let's say this person would have gone on a more traditional route and invested in a normal manner, not mixing his insurance and his investments. So, let's say he would have purchased a term plan of around 1 crore rupees for a 35-year-old that costs like around 9 to 10,000 a year. The nominees would have received the entire amount of this term plan, which is 1 crore rupees. And the remaining amount, which he would have put into the mutual fund or the stock or the debt market, the nominees would have received whatever amount it would have that he would have invested in this market. So that's why we say a person should not mix insurance with investments.